Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me.
All right, y'all, Mikey went to the Dollar Tree and he picked up my Easter stuff from me. I'm so excited. I just want to know what you got. That's what I want to know. Mikey, you're the best.
I had fun. I got just some baskets.
Got me some
Got
baskets.
one for you, one for Maddie, and one for you, one for Maddie.
How cute is that?
Cause I know y'all will be arguing about them. And then I got your Easter hat.
Oh.
I got you two.
Okay.
Let me got you one for you, one for Maddie. Blue.
How cute.
And same thing.
Okay.
And then I had promised to take you to Hawaii, but since we can't go to Hawaii, but you.
Oh my goodness. I love it.
I had fun doing it.
Thank you so much. I'm quarantined. Mike's not quarantined. He gets out every day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. I don't even know what it is. I guess it's like
Little
a
bunny rabbit.
candy dish or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
And, oh, you know you can't go outside. You boo. This.
Uh-oh, I got a Barbie doll.
You got the Barbie doll. And
He just had too much fun.
little bunny rabbits.
Okay, okay.
Got several of those. Perfect.
Oh, is it candy or what is it?
Just rabbits.
Oh, then just
Y'all eat
stick
too
in
much
your
candy.
heart.
You eat too much candy.
It looks like candy. Mm.
And then I couldn't find the chicken because I ate all the chickens up, so I got some fake eggs
That's
with
the
the baby
best.
rabbit.
Oh, that's so cute. Y'all look, they got little ears on them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is so
So that's
cute.
about it, baby doll.
Well, let me do my little decorations now with everything I got. That is so cute. I think I
just
can
leave
handle
laying
it.
right here.
Okay, that is too cute.
Now I give you a kiss.
Mwah. Thank you. I love you, baby.
Love you too.
All right, y'all. That's it for my Dollar Tree haul that I didn't do, that Mikey did for me. So cute. Yes. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, and I just put Mr. Bunny over here for now. See him? Yeah. So that basket that Mike bought me for Easter, I took one of them, and I had some old wrapping paper. Well, I guess that's the little stuffing paper, and some little cut-ups, and I put that in here. What I'm going to do is take a few of the Easter eggs I had already picked up at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to put some in here and check it out. It's so cute. Yeah, it's so cute. They have the metallic look. I guess that's what you call it. I'm not sure. I think that's so cute. Oh, you know, this one will be in this room, so guess what? I'm going to do the green. Let's do the green, the blue, and the yellow. And my sugar daddy bought me these. These are the bunny rabbit ear eggs, and those are so cute. They're Easter eggs. I love these. And I guess they do open up. I guess you could put Easter treats in there as well, but I'm just gonna sit them in here like so. That's too cute. And he also got these little bunnies here. These are little bunny picks. And I guess you could put food on them. I'm not sure. But I'm going to stuff a few of them around the sides here. And he bought me tons of bunny ears, so I'm going to put some of the bunny ears in there as well, and I'll give you the final reveal. All right, there's the Easter basket all completed for the little decor here in the glam room. We're gonna keep that right there. So adorable. I say it's so adorable, for sure.
So I wanted to show y'all all the little goodies that Mikey bought on yesterday from the Dollar Tree. I forgot to film this part of it, so I just went ahead and decided to carry this over to the next day. This is the basket right here. And this is one of the baskets that I created with the goodies. Little bunny rabbits on a stick. Okay. That's one. And here's the other one. So cute. Those little bunny rabbit ear eggs. I don't know what you call them, but they're so cute. So funny. Oh my goodness. And then we have this one. Okay. All the bunny rabbit ears. Okay. Headbands, whatever you call it, and the other one that actually popped together, so I put it together and it became a little stand-up figurine, and I just put it in the basket and put some bunny ears around it and made a little display for it. So there you go. And this is the one in the beauty room. I put this one, this actually little stand is my sponge, my beauty blender sponge stand, okay? And I put the little egg head in there, bunny head, or whatever you want to call it. And then I made a basket as well with bunny ears, the little bunnies on the little sticks, and some more of the bunny ear eggs and little other eggs, okay? And then this little doll he bought, this Barbie doll, whatever she is, not quite Barbie, okay? But she's called the Poopy Mode. So I guess her face is like, oh, 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 oh. Maybe she's smelling something, I don't know. But she's the Poopy Mode doll. So anyway, she's sitting there as well. Thanks, Mike, for the Barbie doll, as a matter of fact, or whatever you want to call her. But this is it, y'all. Stay blessed, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one here. Bye.